Bought air conditioner rings in red to match the interior more. Just needs to press in to fit. To hide those ambient light cables, I used an armrest insert that only needed some push to fit. Air vent mobile holder in carbon that has a magnet mount. Easy to install, just to remove both center air vents and then push them back once the holder is inserted. Before installing the new holder, I thought I should paint the outer rings, so it looks better. I used primer, paint and clear coat. The result was really nice. It is easy to remove those outer rings using a screwdriver. Carbon air vent inner rings. Here is how they look like after the paint and inner carbon rings fitted. Foldable wash bucket from Car 5. Good if you store it in the car and don't have so much place. When filled with water, the wrinkling disappears. Here is the old pre-facelift steering wheel. The new LED steering wheel. I bought it together with the airbag. For more information about it, I have made a full in-depth video of it. Watch it by clicking on the right upper corner or visit my channel. In the time being, it didn't came with the S3 badge, so I did buy it separately. Here is how the car looked a time ago, before installing the virtual cockpit and the LED steering. Can really recommend the steering lock with alarm system. Full video review on my channel. Wow, that's a big ship. Let's take a closer look at the MSC Seaview. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.